Peut-être très rapidement, oui.
Just very briefly, if I may. Thank you for having envisaged that hypothesis. I mean, the real fundamental point of all of this is to organise asylum and migration differently. We're not trying to respond to a problem here. I mean, asylum and migration has been a reality for humanity, well, forever. And so what we've decided to do is manage it at the European level rather than individually at the member state level with some European elements. Now it really is managed at the European level, and the challenge of implementation is to ensure that procedures are actually more effective, we have better reception conditions, and that people's rights are better respected. You talked about 50 NGOs who criticise some aspects of the pact. Well, we know them. They work on the ground. We've held conversations with them. I was involved in a year-long assessment of Dublin, and we know that the situation isn't satisfactory at the moment. So what we want to do is move away from a certain number of things that don't work and difficult human situations. So I'd suggest to them, help us, work with us during this period in which we're preparing the implementation of these texts so that we can ensure that this is properly applied in a rigorous manner which respects human rights. I mean, for example, this legal counselling for everyone. I mean, we're hearing we're not going to find the right number of people, etc., etc. But if we can work with NGOs to ensure that this is actually possible, we have people available from NGOs that can provide this advice, well, that'll be a step forward in ensuring that migrants' rights are effectively better protected because they'll know more about their rights and the system as a whole.